Gray hair, like a vintage car or a fine wine, needs a touch of love and care to maintain its luster. The journey towards maintaining gray hair can be a delightful one filled with learning and self-discovery. Firstly, understanding the nature of gray hair is crucial. Gray hair is not necessarily a sign of aging, but rather a result of decreased melanin production. This decrease can cause the hair to lose its natural color, giving it a silver or white appearance. What's more, gray hair tends to be more dry and coarse due to a decrease in oil production. But don't fret. This doesn't mean that gray hair can't be soft, shiny, and full of life. Hydration, dear friends, is the key to maintaining the vitality of gray hair. Opt for hydrating shampoos and conditioners that are free from harsh chemicals. The market is teeming with products specifically designed for gray hair, and these can be a fantastic option to consider. Another excellent habit is to incorporate a deep conditioning treatment into your hair care routine. These treatments provide a blast of much-needed moisture and nutrients, leaving your hair feeling soft and looking shiny. Don't forget the importance of a healthy diet in maintaining the vitality of your gray hair. Eating foods rich in vitamins A, B, C, and E, as well as minerals like iron and zinc, can do wonders for your hair. Protecting your hair from the sun's harmful rays is another crucial aspect of gray hair care. The sun can cause gray hair to turn yellowish, so wearing a hat or using hair products with UV protection can help keep your gray hair looking its best. Regular trims also play an essential role in maintaining healthy gray hair. By trimming off the damaged ends, you're allowing your hair to grow healthier and stronger. Now, what about styling gray hair? Well, less is more. Avoid using high heat and harsh styling products, as these can cause damage to your hair. Embrace the natural texture of your gray hair, and remember, confidence is the best accessory one can wear. In summary, caring for gray hair involves keeping it well hydrated, protected from the sun, regularly trimmed, and nourished from within through a balanced diet. It's about embracing the beauty of gray hair and enhancing it with the right care and products. Remember, every strand of gray hair tells a story of wisdom, experience, and maturity. It's a badge of honor, a symbol of the journey traveled. So let's wear it proudly and keep it looking its best. After all, gray is the new black. Thank you for joining this journey of understanding and caring for gray hair. Here's to celebrating the silver linings in life. And remember, every gray hair is a silver lining, a testament to a life well lived. Let's cherish it, care for it, and wear it proudly.